Hi, I'm Mr. Cup. Shall we talk today about AI Basics 1? What is AI? Artificial intelligence is a system that thinks, learns, and makes decisions similar to human intelligence. 2. What can be done with AI technology? Language translation, facial recognition, self-driving vehicles, chatbots, and virtual assistants, e.g., Siri, Alexa. 3. How does AI learn? Machine learning, learning from data. Deep learning, using neural networks similar to the brain. 4. AI versus human intelligence. AI is faster and more accurate. Humans make decisions with emotion and experience. 5. Fields where AI is used. Healthcare, finance, education, aviation. 6. Risks of AI. Job loss, privacy concerns, legal and ethical issues. Types of AI. Narrow AI, AI that can perform only a specific task, e.g., Siri, Google Assistant. General AI, AI with abilities similar to human intelligence, still in research. Super AI, hypothetical AI that surpasses human intelligence. AI tools and platforms. ChatGPT, language processing. DALL-E, image generation AI, TensorFlow/PyTorch. For developing machine learning systems, AI ethics, bias, data privacy, accountability. Future of AI, robotics, self-driving cars, human-AI collaboration, AI in education and space research. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and language understanding. AI is used in various fields like healthcare, education, agriculture, finance, and daily tech such as smartphones and smart assistants. There are three main types of AI. Narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks. General AI, which can perform any intellectual task like a human. And Super AI, a future concept where machines surpass human intelligence. AI technologies are powered by machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Tools like ChatGPT and image generators like DALL-E are examples of how AI is evolving rapidly. However, with great potential come ethical concerns. These include data privacy, decision-making bias, and job displacement. That's why ethical AI development is crucial. The future of AI looks promising, with advances in self-driving vehicles, robotic surgery, and smart environments. AI is not here to replace us, but to assist and elevate our capabilities. If you're curious about how AI is shaping our world, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more simplified educational content. Let's learn and grow together.